tomorrow's the grand opening, but we got to go in today and buy some stuff. You see this? Tomorrow's the grand opening, but we got to go in today, and it was so cool because we got little gifts. And since tomorrow's the opening, the hair's like $1.99, so it's really cool. So come check out. Open it, open it.
Okay.
Kimberly's gonna open her little gift that she got today. Come on, girl. You got it?
Ah! What? Polish!
What you get?
I got a lot of things!
Okay, show us, show us.
I can't get out! Lipstick?
Wow, okay. What else? Is there more?
No.
Wow, cool.
Oh, there's another lipstick.
All right.
And I have this. Nail polish.
Cool.
Let's see what else. More lipstick, or what is this?
That's more stuff, Kimberly. Keep on going. Wow, that is like more than $10 worth of like gifts. You know, so just keep on going. Is there more?
No.
Was it? Well, that was amazing. Y'all need to come check this store out. It's new out here. Whoa, we got cool stuff. Some stuff that I got. I got some hair, and it was on sale. It was literally $1.99. I got a few packs of those. Okay, that's for my hair braiding. And then I found this. It's easy. I like these to just put on my hair. I like that. And Kimberly got two really cool bows. They're gonna match her mermaid outfit for her birthday. And I got some jumbo pins, which I really need because I have thick hair. And she got some beads when I do her little braids.
Hey, give me those back.
For my wigs, so they don't go all over the place. So all of that was just, let me show you. All of that was just $36, which is pretty good. So inexpensive, and we got a lot of cool stuff. Plus a little gift set. How awesome is that? Oh, and I bought me some contacts. My contacts too. So all of that for $36. Plus a gift. Woo! I'm so happy right now. Let's ready go. Get ready to go.
We're getting ready to go.
And I wish I would have came tomorrow and bought, because they're gonna give out a 65-inch TV. But all right, maybe I'll come back tomorrow for the raffle. I was thinking of just going to the hotel, but then I saw this factory connection thing, and I ain't never been there, so I think I'm gonna go check it out. So let's go see what Factory Connection has. So let's go check out Factory Connection.
They're the shirts?
They look like they got alright stuff. Let's go. I like those.
Me too. I like those. Whoa!
Help Dad kick back this Father's Day. Right now at Royal Furniture. Save at least $50 off.
The glittery ones, Kimberly?
Those? These?
I don't know, whichever ones you want.
I think I want these. Got stuff in here.
Well, show me.
Oh. Okay. Let me put the bag right here. I have this little pony thingy.
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn thing.
Cool, that looks nice. Let's go.
We see another thing.
What you got?
There's something more pretty. Sit!
Oh, those are cute. Yeah, some bracelets.
Put it in. Okay, put my stuff in.
Okay, come on, girl. Let's go. Well, that Factory Connection place, I've never been to it, you know, and they're like everywhere, but it was straight. And they have these things that smell so good. Like, that's what I kept on smelling the whole time I was there, and I was trying to figure out what it was.
Mom,
These are like perfume for your car, your bathroom, your clothes, your...
Mom,
You can
go
put this
smell
anywhere.
it. Smell
The
it.
smell was like all over the store. That's why I kept on smelling, and it smells so good.
Mom, do I smell it? Do I smell it?
It smells so good. I'm gonna leave it in my car because my car smells weird because we'd be eating in here. You wanna smell it?
Yeah, I want to smell it.
Go.
It smells really good.
It smells good.
Ah, it smells good!
We're on the road now. We're on the way home, and then I just stopped to buy Kimberly some mermaid bows at that new place that opened where we got the goodie bags for free, and they gave me a ticket. They're doing a raffle for a 65-inch TV, but you have to stick around here till 12:30 and go to the store, and they're gonna do the raffle. And I'm like trying to get home. I don't know if to wait or to go. I don't know what to do. What should we do, Kimmy?
Let's stick around, I think.
You stick around?
Yeah. Let's go.
Omar said let's go.
On that car seat, and he's in my car seat.
Why?
Because he wanted it, and I thought I should be in this one.
Okay. So we're going in for the drawing. Yeah. Go, girl.
Your number came up. The numbers we sent messages.
Number 274088.
Nope. All right, do it again.
274090.